How to log in Ludo King with Facebook. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in Ludo King with Facebook. Logging in Ludo King with Facebook is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Ludo King. Launch the Ludo King app on your mobile device. Access the login screen. On the main screen, look for the Facebook login option. This is usually represented by a button with the Facebook logo or labeled as Login with Facebook. Login with Facebook. Tap on Facebook login button. A Facebook login prompt will appear. Enter your Facebook email, phone number and password if required. If you already logged into Facebook on your device, it might just ask for permission to connect Ludo King to your Facebook account. Grant permission. If prompt, allow Ludo King to access your Facebook profile information. This is necessary for the app to link your game progress with the Facebook account. Complete the login process. After logging in, Ludo King will connect to your Facebook account. Your Facebook profile picture will become your Ludo King profile picture. Start playing. Once logged in, you will be taken back to the main screen and you can start playing with your friends. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.